Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. WriterBay has one of the most popular and easiest way to earn online from the comfort of our homes. Many of you already know the platform like Fiverr and Upwork for online jobs, and today we are going to talk about one such platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, I already have the website open on my laptop. Website name is WriterBay. I have also put the website link in the descriptions below. It offers lifetime membership with no registration fee, a minimum of a bachelor degree, and English language proficiency is required to register on the platform. And also, make sure that your country supports the given payment options, which are WebMoney, Hyperwallet, and Payoneer. To get registered on the platform, first click the register button on top right corner. First, you will have to enter your personal details like name, date of birth, email address, and country of living. Then enter your password and click on the next step. Here you will have to enter your educational qualification and experience. On the next tab, you will have to enter some additional information and press submit. So after registration is out of the way, you will have to pass some English tests, complete a short writing job, upload your CV and higher education certificate, and only then you will start getting jobs on the platform. You can also upload samples of your work, but that is not necessary. That is how you can start earning today by writing on WriterBay. Don't forget to smash the like button, share our video and leave a comment. And also press the bell icon so you can get more such videos in future. Until next video, take care and stay productive.